So we have this question which reads, the diagram below is a model of a paper waste basket. Pi is equal to 3.142. We have been given this model of a paper, and here we have been told to calculate the volume of the model, and this is 6 marks. This is 6 marks. Hope this is not disturbed. So if you see here on the model, we have been given the height, the radius, and this radius. So I have 2 radiuses here and the height. Okay, so we have been told to calculate the volume. So we know that this is the same as a frustum. If you see this, it's the same as a frustum, and the frustum is made by cutting off a cone. Okay, so you know that the volume of a frustum is given by the formula V is equal to 1/3 pi h open brackets r1 squared plus r2 squared plus r1 multiplied by, so this is multiplication multiplied by r2. Okay, so this is the formula. So r1 squared plus r2 squared plus r1 multiplied by r2. So from here you can make one to be your radius 1. So this r stand for radius, r stand for radius. So if you want, you can make this to be radius 1 and this to be your radius 2. It won't affect anything. So let's say our r1 is it's 12. We get 12 here. R1 it's 12, and our r2 is 3. We get our 2 to be 3 centimeter. So our volume is equal to, this is the height, this is the height, is equals to 1/3 pi. We have been told that pi is 3.142. So we're going to have 3.142 multiplied by height. Which one is our height? I said that this is our height, multiplied by 15 open bracket r1 squared. Which one is our r1? We said that 12 centimeter will be our r1. So of 12, don't forget to square it, plus our r2, which is 3, we also square it, which is 3, we also square it, plus here r1, which we said that our r is this one, so we're going to do plus 12 multiplied by this 3. Okay, so I've just replaced in this formula. So the main key here, it's you knowing the formula. If you know the formula, you're going to have no difficulties in answering such question. This usually comes in paper 2. So I don't want you to miss these 6 marks. So make sure you pay much attention. Okay, so we have volume is equal to, we can now just multiply using your calculator. So we have 3.142 multiplied by 15. So we have 3.142 multiplied by this 15. It will give us 47. So we have 1/3 multiplied by 47.13. So if you want, you can just do 3 into 15, then 5 multiplied by that. Okay, 3 into 15 to give you 5 multiplied by this. If you want, you can just multiply 3.142 multiplied by 15, as I've done here. Okay, open bracket 12 squared to give you 144. 12 squared to give you 144. So 144 plus 3 squared, which is 9. 3 squared, it's 9. We have 9 here. Okay, plus 12 multiplied by 3, it's 36. This will give you 36. Then you now add. So we're going to have volume is equal to 144. You just add 144 plus 9 plus 36. This will give you 189. So we're going to have 1/3 times 180. Oh, sorry, multiplied by this. So let's just rub here. So our volume is equal to 1/3 multiplied by 47.13 multiplied by 189. Okay, so you can just multiply here, then you divide by 3. So just do 47.13 multiplied by 189, then the answer divided by 3. So 47.13 multiplied by 189, this will give you 8,907.57. So I'm going to have our volume is equal to 1/3 multiplied by 8,907.57. 7. So V is equal to, just do this, divide 3, this divide this, and this divide 3, this will give us our volume. So divide 3, this will give us our volume to be 2969.19. Okay, so remember, volume is measured in cubic centimeter or cubic meter. Okay, so this is the volume of this model, which is the same as the Frustum. So we are a school of online lesson. If you want to join us, you can reach us through this WhatsApp line, plus 2609 65 15 9865. So if you're watching this on TikTok, please give it a follow and like. If you want to can share, because sharing is caring. Okay, make sure you follow so that you don't miss the next revision. So this was just the question that we had in our test. Okay, if you see here, this was a test paper. Okay, and this is how the question was supposed to be answered. So if you're watching this on YouTube, you can subscribe so that you get notified when we post another question. Okay, because we are learning one or two things from the revisions. Thanks for watching. I greet you.